Come on, tie you up.
Where is the money?
There is no money here.
Where's the money?
I said there is no money.
You should lie. Where's the money?
There is no money.
Are you sure this is the right house?
You shut up. No. We are going round to look for the money now. Take care of her. Move it.
What's going on, man? Do you know you're on a mission, man?
Get out.
You don't move. Alright. Alright.
What do you mean, what the hell is going on?
You know what I mean, man. You broke the rules, man.
I broke your rules.
Look, what's going on inside? Man, you broke the rules, man.
I break the rules, so what?
Man, you said the rules, you're supposed to obey them.
Put your voice down.
Oh my
Right.
God.
Man, look what you have done. Yo, let me kill him, man.
No, she sees you. Oh, please, please, no.
Let me kill her.
No, listen, no.
Come on, let's go, man. Come on.
Nurse, I hear my wife is somewhere here.
Doctor! Doctor! Your sister.
Hello, doctor.
Are you Mr. Akbar?
Yes, I am, doctor. My wife. Is she okay?
I'm sorry.
Don't cry, my daughter. Don't cry, my daughter.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hackman. Calm down. We have to come through. Okay, calm down, Mr. Hackman. Everything will be alright. Good afternoon.
Right. This is the money. And Tracy, dear. Don't worry, okay? It has already happened. But don't worry, you're not alone. You're not alone. Your daddy's there. And Lydia, your friend, I'm also here. I'll do whatever you want me to do for you. Okay? I'll do anything for you.
So, madam, how are you?
Okay, my name is Mr. Chumesi, a psychology by profession, and I've been assigned as a counselor to your case. I think you'll be here for a couple of days. How do you see men? Yeah.
Men. I hate them. I hate men.
You hate men. Do you love your father?
That is a silly question to be asking me. Of course I love my father.
Is your father not a man?
Look, I want to be alone.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Hi, Tracy.
Tracy, you're crying. What is it? What is the problem?
You wouldn't understand.
What wouldn't I understand?
I'm pregnant.
Jesus Christ. You? Pregnant? How?
I lost my period 2 months ago. I don't know what I'm going to tell my dad. I just don't know.
Tracy, please. Please. It's okay. Tracy, it's okay. It's not your fault, yeah? It's just a mistake. Please stop crying. Please. I know that you really, really understand you. Okay? Feel free, please. Just talk to Daddy, feel free. Okay? Please.
I am bleeding.
Mr. Tracy, I've got a very big court case to handle this morning. I wonder, these cases. Tracy, I'm saying I've got a big case to handle. Hello, Tracy. Tracy? Tracy? Tracy, my baby. Why? Why are you crying? Tell Daddy, why are you crying? Come on, share these moments with Daddy. Not for a penny. Come on. Come on, tell Daddy. Remember, you have to share your thoughts. Your thought for a penny. Come on, baby. What is it?
Daddy, I'm pregnant.
What? Pregnant? Tracy? No. What did you just say? Pregnant? Oh my God.
Against me, now sin's a crime to love. I'm bleeding. My blood is giving away. My blood is giving me away. Little by little, I am hurting. My blood, I feel so empty. We don't belong anymore. I belong anymore. Against me, now it seems a crime to love. For I knew not, life could change against me. Life could change against me. If I can play on destiny, I will take back my evil. All my evil. Now nothing can be nothing. Hates me so nothing can be done. I am bleeding. My blood is giving away. My blood is giving away. Little by little, little. I am hurting. My blood, my life is so empty. Without belong anymore. When our hearts is against me, now it seems a crime to love. When I look around, I see everybody smiling. But I can't stop being guilty. And I know it ends so sad.
Tracy, don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry.
I am bleeding. My blood is giving away. Little by little, I am hurting. My blood. Now I feel so empty.
Everything will be all right. Okay? Be all right.
What's going on here? Tracy, why are you crying?
Sit down. Sit down. Can someone tell me what's going on here? I've been away for about 2 months and I thought I was going to get a warm, cheerful welcome. Not this kind of moody welcome that you're giving me.
Tony, I'm in one of my saddest moments. Can you imagine? My beautiful daughter, my only daughter. She's pregnant.
Pregnant? By who? By who? Those criminals? Those rapists? Oh, Tracy, do you have a boyfriend on campus?
Tony, those bastards, if I lay my hands on them, I'll throw away the ethics of my profession as a high court judge and I will skin them alive. Like a street boy.
So, Haki, what are you going to do about it?
That's why I'm sitting here all alone. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Well, under the circumstances, an abortion will be the best option.
What?
Yes. She should go for an abortion.
For what reason?
Remember, she was raped by criminals. And do you know the kind of child that she's going to produce?
Tony, you are forgetting something here.
And what's that?
I lost my wife just 2 months ago. And I am yet to come out of that grief. Now you are suggesting that my daughter should go for an abortion? What if she develops complications and she dies? What am I going to do? Huh? What am I going to do? And I am not going to condone and connive with anybody to engage in abortion. I'm a high court judge. Abortion is criminal. It's a crime.
Well, you make sense. You make sense. But these bastards.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're looking good.
Thank you.
Can I see your boss?
Do you people have an appointment with him?
Just tell him it's the guys who called from Accra.
So what's the name?
Tell him Mac Bruno. Tell him.
Okay. Just a minute, gentlemen.
So what do we do now?
Just relax. When she comes, you know what's
Boss, 3 guys are here to see you.
3 guys?
Yes, boss. They said they called you from Accra and you said they should come.
Okay, let me.
Okay, thank you, boss. Gentlemen, it's in the computer room, second door to your right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. What?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's rather unfortunate I was doing something on my PC. Shall we go to my office?
No. This place is just perfect for us.
Yes.
Let me go straight to the point. I know your bad dealings, and I know you have an account abroad. We are here to collect your account number.
But how do you know that? I don't have anything like that. This is ridiculous. I mean, how do you know that?
Julio.
Boss.
Does he have an account or not?
Yes, he does. And I think he's lying.
And who are you to come and ask me such things? I mean, this is ridiculous.
Should I show him my ID?
Think you like it that way?
Show you my ID card? Yes.
Oh my God, please don't kill me.
Don't kill you. All we want is your pen.
Wait.
You can be safe.
And do it fast. Yeah.
Bring the laptop and check it out.
It's clean, boss.
How about the code?
Yeah. It's in there.
It's good. Alright. It's nice doing business with you, Mr. Blanket. Tie him up.
So, bring the ropes.
How's mom?
She's fine.
Alright.
She's also fine.
This is a great opportunity to advise you concerning your education. Listen. Okay. Is mom taking her medication?
Yeah.
Because she's freezing on too much. Okay. Listen. Just look at this house. Right?
Yeah.
My cars, the bodyguards, and all of that. Look, I had all of these because of education. Never think about not going to the university. I hear you have a boyfriend around the house.
It's not true.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Listen, if even you have a boyfriend, please.
Let's forget it. It's not true.
Okay.
So, but what business are you running now?
Ooh. Right now, what I do is I import some hospital equipment, and very soon I'll divert to dealing in cars and estate development.
That's great.
Excuse me. Talk of the devil.
Okay. Hey, good.
Hello? Hi, bro. Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? No. I'm here with Karen. What? Why do you want to come over and stay here? Wait a minute. For good? Why? Okay. Yeah, hold on. Right. Ciao, bro.
Hello. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, mom is fine. Since I miss you so much. Yeah. You know what I want. Yeah. Yeah, mom is fine. Everybody's fine. And don't forget about what I told you about my schooling, right? Right then. Got it.
Yeah. $7,000. Okay. Alright, I'll give it to the guy. He will only use it to chase women, I know. Oh, for business, alright. Right. Okay, catch you. Bye. Give $7,000 to Asante, his friend.
His friend?
Yeah, I don't know what for.
Oh, what about me?
I'm here for you, alright?
Okay.
Tony.
Yeah.
There's something I don't understand.
What's that?
I've been pushing for the amendment of this law to make it possible for both defilement and rape cases to be tried in circuit courts. After all, they both take the same sentence, 25 years, 27 years, something like that. And I don't understand.
Well, I think it has been agreed that defilement is a high felony crime.
Approved by the Chief Justice?
Of course.
Have you seen the report yourself?
I have.
Well, maybe my secretary is having it.
Maybe.
Well, that's good. That's good news. And another problem I have is about evidence relating to rape cases. You see, most of the time, the victims, usually, after being victimized, take a good bath before even going to the police to report. The prosecutors come to court with no evidence, even medical reports are not there. So sometimes I find it very difficult to, come out with judgments on these cases. Look at me, my gray hair.
My brother. To be a judge is not easy.
Talk less of a high court judge. You are going to get there soon. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi.
Hi. Lovely girl. How are you?
Not bad.
Good.
We're going to the market to get a couple of stuff.
Okay.
So I'll see.
Get inside your brain, you never cry again as long as we remain doing the little things you love. Even if I'm a dangerous thug, all the names I'm called, but it keeps you excited to creep through and ride with a live rich Don who was raised in the projects. Can I just watch you? Yeah, let me see you break it down. I got you anytime.
Beautiful young lady. I love your England shirt. You know what? I'm a big fan of England during the World Cup. Yes. And your hair.
Like it?
I love it. You know what? You look like these divas in the music videos.
Oh, really?
Yes, and you're pretty. Very pretty.
Thank you.
Yes. So, would you mind telling me your name?
My mother says I shouldn't talk to strangers.
Okay, I got it. My bad, my bad. Where are my manners? Okay, I'll do the honors. My name is Kweku, and I'm the owner of this shop. So you see, I'm not a stranger to you anymore, isn't it? Yes. So you're welcome to walk in here anytime, okay? So would you mind telling me your name now?
Okay, my name
Young lady.
is...
Haven't I warned you never to speak to strangers?
He's not a stranger. His name is Pepe.
So you see, I'm not a stranger to her or to you. My name is
Alright.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Well,
Alright, come on, let's go.
so, beautiful young lady, would you mind telling me your name now?
My name is Appiah Hackman.
Appiah Hackman.
She is Tracy Hackman.
Oh, Tracy and Appiah Hackman. That's a beautiful name. Nice meeting you, Tracy.
Wow.
Nice meeting you.
Meeting
Alright,
you.
so now you said your hi, you can say goodbye.
Okay, Appiah, I have a very special gift for you, okay? Appiah, so would you want to pick anything of your choice, or would you like me to pick for you?
Yeah, pick something.
Okay. Okay, don't worry, I have a specialty for you in here. See this right here? It's a raspberry cookie. It's jam filled. Very delicious. You're gonna love it, okay? Feel free to come back anytime. Yes, you would love this one. Feel free to walk in here anytime. Pick anything you want, okay? I look forward to seeing you. All right. So Tracy, can I get your number? I'd love to call you sometime.
What makes you think that I give my number to anybody I meet on the streets?
Come on, it's a small world. You can meet anybody, anywhere, at any time. Who knows?
Well, probably today's not your lucky day.
Well,
Don't worry, Mom. I'll give it to her.
okay, Appiah, thank you so
Young
much.
lady.
Mom!
Yeah, let me have it.
Oh,
Yeah, 02
12
12
85
85
38
38
58.
58. Thank you very much, Appiah. I'll give you a call sometime, okay? Nice meeting you. All right, Tracy.
Nice meeting you.
I'll give you a call sometime.
Thank you.
All right, then. Have a nice day. Hopefully you come back anytime, okay?
Can I relieve the pain you're under? Change your comfort. Get inside your brain. You never cry again as long as we remain doing the little things you love.
Your Lordship.
Yeah.
Please, your meeting with the Chief Justice has been scheduled first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh, really? I almost forgot. Thank you so much. And I want you to do this for me. I want you to look for the report on the judgment that I gave on this case, Asiedu and Company versus the government of Ghana. You remember that case?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I don't exactly know where I put that report.
Your Lordship, I remember you kept it in the cabinet in your office.
Oh, really?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, get it for me, put it on my table.
Okay.
I want to go through it, all right?
Okay. Your Lordship, is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
No, that's all right. Hello?
Yeah, hello? Yes, sir. Please, can I speak to Tracy?
All right, hold on. Tracy,
Yes, Daddy.
your call.
Oh, okay.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Hello?
Hey, hello, Tracy. How are you?
I'm okay.
Yes, this is Kweku Mana Supermarket.
Oh, I see.
Yes, I just got home trying your number.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay. So how's it clear? Can I speak to her as well?
Oh, I'm sorry. She's asleep.
Oh, okay. All right. Don't worry about that.
But we'll be at the shop tomorrow.
Oh, okay. I can't wait to see you guys. I'm expecting you. Yes, you can walk in anytime. Yes, I hope to see you very soon. All right, Tracy. See you then.
Okay then. Take care.
Where's she?
See this nosy girl? How do you know it's a she? Come on, little sister.
Everything about you so nice.
Come on, how do you know it's a she?
Yeah, I can see from your face.
You just bumped in on Big Brother on the phone and you assumed it's a she.
Yeah.
Come on, baby sister.
You haven't seen
Don't be too nosy.
No.
Curiosity, they say, killed the cat. Too curious. Yes. This is between me and you. Don't worry. I'll let you in on a secret.
Think I'll tell Mom.
Come on, I'm a big boy now. Yes.
So?
Don't worry. Very soon you get to see who this special person is. Okay?
Get a whip appeal, kid.
Sorry, my young man.
You enjoying the food?
Yeah.
It is good.
So tell me, apart from the supermarket, what do you do?
Well, you know, just a young man. Been away for too long. I finally decided to come back home. And I'm trying to establish a business here. So I can stay home. It wouldn't be a bad idea after all these years. Staying home and running a business.
I see. Interesting. So how many siblings do you have?
Well, actually, we're a foreign family. Like 2 boys, 2 girls. Looks like everybody brought their girlfriends with them.
Interesting.
So what about you? How many siblings you got?
Well, I'm the only daughter.
Come on, don't tell me you're the only child. I wonder why your parents didn't bring more of you into this world. Because you are so pretty. And I think there should be more of you to just brighten up the face of this world. Eat your food.
Then to our destination. To avoid caught up by the police.
You are great. You are great. You can finish this within 1 minute. Then we go.
No. The operation will be in 90 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. Okay?
Okay, boss.
And the time is 2 in the afternoon.
2 in the afternoon? It's dangerous.
But boss, can we do it down?
You will have to rethink. This guy is coming with the money in the afternoon, and it will be taken to the bank. You have to intercept it before it goes to the bank. What is wrong with you? What are you going to do there at dawn? What is wrong with you?
It's dangerous. So count me out.
Count you out? Listen. If you move out of this operation, then you are out of the organization.
Count me out.
Remember, we took the blood together. And if anybody hears a word, it will result in your death.
It's dangerous, so count me out.
Count you out? Count you out?
I told you he's a soft dude. Let me take care of him. Should I let him go way back? We can handle this our own, boss.
Are you also going to join him?
No, boss. I'm staying here with you.
Keep the spirit together.
Hello? Who is this? I'm Rachel. The police. Okay, hold on. Talk to my elder sister.
Hello. I'm Karen Ampon. My brother. Arrested for what? I'm robbery. Oh my God.
Karen, what's it? Karen!
Mom!
Karen, tell me what? Karen!
Oh, why are you shouting, disturbing everybody? Why? What's wrong? Why mom?
My husband arrested.
Who told you?
The police just called.
Over what?
Armed robbery.
Armed robbery?
Yeah, Mom.
Let me get my bag and that. When was that?
Just now, they just called.
Eh? Jesus.
So, I wonder what the day has in store for us. Look, you know what? It's obvious these days the police have actually improved their strategy in combating armed robbery, you see?
Obviously. The suspects they arrested recently, coincidentally, one of them bears your name, Hackman. I hope he's not from your family.
No. The Hackman family is full of noble men, and they can never be an armed robber.
But don't forget that among every 12, there is a Judas.
But it can never, ever be.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, honey. You didn't inform me of your coming, did you?
I tried calling you and I couldn't get through your line.
Oh, good.
Okay, Haki, I must be off to Circuit Court 1. I have some work to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
I'll see you then.
Yeah?
Have a nice working time.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah.
Daddy.
See you then.
You know what?
Tell me.
Meet my friend Kweku. Kweku, meet my dad, Mr. Hackman.
It's a pleasure meeting you.
Nice meeting you. So, how brought you here?
We came to see you.
I see. All right, let's get to the office.
Held up in traffic.
I was just wondering what took you so long. But I'm happy you're here now. So, by the way, what are you taking?
Can I have steamed rice with assorted meat? Alright, thank you.
It's my favorite too. So.
Yeah. Can I have one of that too? Alright, thanks. So, you look troubled.
Yes, it's about my big brother. He's been accused of armed robbery.
What?
He's been accused of armed robbery this time.
But he's an armed robber?
Yes, not technically, but that's how it looks like this time.
So, where do I come in this whole thing?
Yes, I was thinking, since your father is a high court judge, maybe you could convince your father into getting us some help.
Oh, hell no. He's never gonna help. Do you know what you're asking me to do?
I know, Tracy, but this is my brother we are talking about.
I know he's your brother. But you're asking me to tell my dad to help an armed robber? No, it's not going to be possible. Hell no. My dad is never going to give in to helping an armed robber. What are you talking about? My mom was killed by an armed robber. I got raped by an armed robber. My dad hates armed robbers. What are you talking about? Look, I love you so much, but I can't go this far for you. It's going to be impossible. Please.
Tracy, this is about my brother. This is my blood brother we're talking about here.
Daddy.
Tracy, you sure you don't want to have a drink?
No, I don't. Look, Daddy, I need to discuss something with you.
What is it?
Daddy, it's about Kweku's brother's case.
And what about it?
I need you to help him.
Help him? How?
Daddy, you're a judge. I know you could do something. You can talk to your fellow colleague to help, and I don't know, but just do anything that would be able to help Kweku's brother, please.
Tracy, are you listening to yourself? You want me to influence a criminal case pending in the courts? You want me to influence judges to favor Kweku's brother? What do you think? Oh, Tracy, you know I love you so much, but not this one. Huh? The Chief Justice. What do you think he will think of me? The newspapers, it will be splashed headlines. His Lordship, Hackman, this, that, influences criminal case. Please, never think about it. Don't. Don't.
Daddy, you remember you made me a promise when Mommy died? You promised me you'd do everything to make me happy. This is the time to fulfill that promise. Daddy, Kweku brought me out of the doldrum. He brought me out of the darkness. He's the only man that has been able to put a smile on my face. He's the only one that has been able.
You can sit down. Sit down.
Thank you very much.
You see, at least I've tried as much as possible to obtain a bill for you, which means you're on probation. And you have to report to the police every other day, which you must do, because if you don't do that, you'll find yourself back in jail. And I will make sure you go back to jail.
Yes, sir.
Kweku.
Yes, sir.
You should know that I'm doing this because of my daughter. Of course, I promised her I will do everything and anything for her. It's a promise I give you. that's why I did this. Against the moral ethics of my profession. So, I believe, knowing that you're in probation, I believe you do the right thing. Okay?
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
very much, sir.
Yes, sir. And that reminds me, where's Tracy?
Yeah, Tracy was here with a friend and she said she was going to see her off.
Oh, okay.
I believe she's on her way coming.
All right, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. There she comes. There she comes.
Wow, I guess you're Reggie. I'm Tracy.
Nice meeting you too. Now, so, I think I have a couple of things to discuss with Tracy in my office. So, I don't know, maybe you see them later.
Yeah. So I'll come over to the house later. And I'll see you later, Reggie.
Okay.
Are you okay? What is it? You seem to be out of this world.
No, I'm fine. Let's go. Thank you, bro. It's a small world. Dr. Hakmanampong.
Yes.
We were in the university together in Oxford, England. We did the masters, our masters together.
This world. Small world. Oh.
Your dad was a very clever man and a very good one for that matter. Oh. It's a small world. I hope you are going to take up to your father.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Hey, did you really look at the girl?
Yes, I
did. You study her very well?
Yes.
You know, her fit thing about her looks like Reggie.
Yes. Especially her eyes and her nose.
Yeah.
But the difference is, Reggie is fair and she is a little bit dark.
Yeah.
I wonder.
But you know, there is one thing that has actually created a big hole in my heart. And of course, I've been grieving over it for all these years. That is the loss of my wife, Tracy's mother. And can you imagine? Guess what? She died when armed robbers attacked her in our home, in my absence. It's a pity.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for reminding you of your past.
Don't worry, it's all right. Don't worry, don't worry. For me, what best I can do, I will do. Okay?
As you can see, we have about 3 days for him to go to court. And since we got to know you through Mr. Hackman, we would like to seek your advice.
Mr. Hackman has already told me about this case.
Okay.
I must say it's a very serious case, you know. But unfortunately, it is against our professional ethics for one judge to influence another judge in the discharge of his duties. So, what is best to do under this circumstance is to get the services of a very good lawyer. And I'm sure he can get him off with a fine.
Yes, that's why we came to you. That's all we're asking for, help.
You'd be the best person to give us a lawyer or something like that.
Yeah, I can link you up with a very good lawyer. So, make time to see me this evening so that I'll have you introduced to him to handle the case for you.
This evening?
Yeah, this evening. Okay. So how's your boy doing after being granted bail?
We just pray to the Lord that he touches him, that's all. That's fine.
I hope all is going to be well.
Do you think
so? Good luck. Yeah, I think so. I think so. With the services of a very good lawyer, I'm sure he will get him off with a fine.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I just can't understand this. I just don't understand it. How my own blood brother got involved in an armed robbery. I mean, back there in the States, you happen to be a very hardworking man. Very humble and highly respected among friends. How on earth can you have gotten yourself into something like this?
Well, you know me. I don't steal. And I'm not an armed robber. Right? Look. It was a simple deal. And it backfired, that's all.
You must be joking, brother. Everything is against you. It's right there in black and white.
You know these judges and the lawyers. And the police are worst of them all. They pick on innocent people. And they lie against them.
No, brother, you gotta be very reasonable with this one. How on earth could anybody just pick on anybody and accuse them of such a hideous act? It's there. Armed robbery.
Listen, it was a simple ploy they didn't understand. None of them, the police, the lawyers, the judges, they didn't understand.
If it hasn't been for my girlfriend's daddy, who happens to be the judge, how on earth could we have ever gotten you probation? Judge Hackman, yes, that's Tracy's father, my girlfriend. You see, if it hasn't been for him, couldn't have gotten you a bail. Forget about everything. Right now, the court is demanding an amount of $500,000.
Where am I going to get that kind of money from?
What are you trying to tell me? Do you want to go to prison? If that's what you want, fine, that I can help you with.
Why do I have to pay that kind of money? I picked no money from them.
Listen, bro, you were caught on the act. And you have to pay to save you from going to prison. If it hasn't been for the judge, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison. Think about this. This is your life we're talking about.
Alright. We could sell my house.
That still wouldn't be enough. We are talking $500,000. $500,000.
Alright, you could sell the Chrysler as well.
Okay. I'll contact a friend of mine. He's a real estate developer. See how we can go about selling the house. And then first thing tomorrow morning, I'll see someone about selling your Chrysler. Raise some money for that. I'll see what will happen after that.
Harry.
Yes, bro.
Do you know this girl? Oh, start with T. Tracy.
Yeah, Tracy, I know her.
Oh. How? How did you get to know her?
She's Claypool's girlfriend, don't you know?
Whose girlfriend?
Yeah.
I see. Does she come to this house?
Yes.
And since when have they been together?
Some months ago.
Some months ago. And tell me, does she sleep over when she comes to this house?
No. Why, bro? Why all these questions?
Nothing. I just.
Hello,
Karen.
everybody. Hi, Reggie.
Hey, hi.
Karen, you're here too.
Yeah.
How are you feeling today?
Okay.
All right, go get some stuff from my car downstairs. I'll be with you soon.
All right, Karen, prepare me some breakfast.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes. I hope you're getting acclimatized with the environment here.
Yes.
Well, I had a very tough day today. Very tough day. But thank God everything is coming on slowly. I managed to speak to the real estate developer, and then we're going to sell the house at a very nice offer. And also I managed to speak to an old friend of mine, Mr. Asante of Soja Motors. So very soon I'll take your Chrysler down to the shop and then we can sell it to you. So
Alright,
easy to pay the money. Yes, very tough day, but thank God everything is coming on slowly. But I can assure you, I mean, you're welcome to stay here as long as you want, okay? This is your house. You feel comfortable. You do anything you want in this house, okay? Don't you ever think about going somewhere. This is where you stay. So don't you worry about the house, okay? Thanks. Always get your back. All right.
Quick. This girl, Tracy.
Oh, Tracy.
Who is she?
That's my girlfriend. Oh, yes. She met a couple of months ago. We're even planning to get married.
Married? No. Tell me, how well do you know her?
What's with all these questions?
Nothing. I just want to find out how well you know her. That's it.
The most interesting thing is she had this cute little girl, Appiah. Very beautiful girl. And I just wanted to be a part of that family. I just want to make her one of my own. Yes, very pretty young girl.
Kweku. Yeah. Is she your daughter?
No, she's not.
She's not.
But that woman is a single parent, and I'm willing to do everything to make her happy. Okay? I love her so much.
All right.
Have you gone to paying the fine?
Yes, I've already done that.
Good, that's good. That's good. So that the boy will not have to go and waste away his life in jail.
We are here to thank you. I'm so grateful for what you've done.
Don't mention it.
In fact, my debt of gratitude to you is really immense. We're very grateful.
Don't mention it.
Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate it.
Don't mention it. I'm happy the boy will not have to go and waste his life away in jail. But my word of advice to him, he should make sure he doesn't fall foul of the law again. Because if he does, he will no longer have an option of a fine. He will go straight to jail.
You know what? I think one of these days I have to drag him here so that he hears it for himself. I mean, what you're saying gets straight into his ears.
I think that is a good idea. So do that.
Okay, we would like to leave. We wouldn't like to waste much of your time. So once again, thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, take care.
God bless you.
All right.
So, see you.
Thank you.
I'm sure Mr. Hackman will be very happy when he comes back.
Yes.
So what am I? I must do everything to stop that marriage. I could marry Tracy. I swear, it won't come.
What other things do you want?
I want that.
The 30 bird. The fluffy one. I'll get you one.
Ah.
Hey, bro. How you doing today?
Fine, how are you?
Good.
How was the night?
Perfect.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. All right, I'm off to work. I'll see you after work.
Wait. I have something to tell you.
Oh, okay. All right, Ryo. Take the things to the car.
Okay.
I'll be down soon, okay? So what is it you want to tell me?
You know I'm your older brother.
Yeah, that I know.
And, this is very difficult.
Come on, bring it out. I'm getting late for work. What is it?
That girl you're about to marry, Tracy, she's a prostitute.
What?
That's why she has a child without a father.
No. Brother, please. Anything but that, okay? That girl is a poor, innocent child who's been raped by armed robbers. And besides that, I love her. I still love her wholeheartedly, okay? Any issue about privacy should be kept private, okay? Anything but that. And remember, that girl saved you from going to prison, okay?
I know.
How can you say something about her? How can you say something like that about her?
I'm not lying, brother. I'm not lying.
Think about it. She did so much for you.
You rather think about
Don't say
it.
things like that about her.
No, you rather think about it.
And if you'd excuse me, I'm getting late for work. And I don't want to have a bad day. I'll see you after work. See you. Bye-bye.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What's the next step, man?
So give me 5, man. Now you are alive. I really missed you, girl.
Are you alright?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, guess what?
Yes.
I'm staying on vacation and I want to come and stay with you.
Oh, really? That would be nice. But you know you can't leave your mom.
She can take care of herself. Grandpa is there and Doris is there too.
Oh, yeah? Okay. That would be nice. I just can't wait to spend the holidays with you. It will be fun. Yes.
I'll be going to Lydia's place because she's planning her London trip and she wants me to come and help her with a couple of stuff. Yeah. But she promises to be back before the wedding.
Oh, okay. Alright, in that case, I can go with you. I'll go with you, yes. I'll escort you to Lydia's place.
Okay. Let's go.
Holiday. We're going on a holiday, right? You and me.
Really, I want you to do something for me.
What is that?
Wait, stop it. I want you to. I want you to want a girl to stay away from my brother.
That's no deal. I'll handle that with my girls for you, okay?
You know what? The wife is in London. And this girl is... I can't believe it. She's so much in love with my brother. And my brother is falling in love with her. I just don't want the relationship to go on. So please do it for me.
I'll do that for you because I love you. Okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Hi. In fact, that's my trip to London there. I'm not going to take it easy. I won't take it easy. I'll make sure I get good costumes. I mean, for good boutique, expensive ones, of course. Hey, when I come back, you know, I love attention, so I would like to grab all the attention. You know what? When you go, make sure you go to Selfridges. Tell me more. Or Howard's. Girl, trust me, you love it. You know, once in a while you have to, you know, treat yourself. I hope I get you. Well, after our wedding, I'll be going back to the States as planned with my boo. You don't mean it! Wow! Oh my god. In fact, this guy, he's really caring. I tell you, Lydia, I can't even find the right words to describe him, you know. He's so caring, passionate, and above all, lovely. You're making me jealous. You're making me jealous. Don't be, man. You're making me jealous. The way you're going is so caring. Hey, you're making me jealous, please. Be careful, girl. I know. What's that? Strange number. Hello? Yeah? Who are you? Hello? Hello? Who is it? I don't know. Some lady telling me to leave Kweku alone. That she's Kweku's girlfriend and has returned back from the States to take revenge.
you mean Koku has somebody in the US? I don't know. I'm confused. Tracy, why didn't you ask him and find out the truth? You know what? I want to be alone, okay? Take time to yourself, okay? But please, just leave me alone for some time, okay? Alright.
Is going on? Kwaku, is it true that he's married? No, I don't think so. But that lady sounded serious. Oh God, what is happening?
The phone. Please pick up the phone, Tracy. Try again.
Mom. I want to tell you something.
And before you put your case across, I also want to ask you when you are going to remove this thing.
Mom, it's been ages. You know it. I can't remove it anymore. Listen. Please don't allow Kwaku to get married to Tracy.
Reggie, why? Reggie, why are you so interested in that relationship? Huh? What do you want from Tracy and Kwaku? What do you want from them?
You won't understand. You won't understand. Mom, I love my family, all right? I don't want people to laugh at my brother. That girl is a prostitute.
I told you so.
I'm telling you.
I think the father told us that girl was raped.
Forget it, Mom. That is a lie. I'm telling you the truth.
It's one of your friends, I know. They're bringing you new earrings, I believe. This time it's not going to be silver, it's going to be gold. Talk to them.
Mom, please. Think about this and advise Kwaku for me. I'm begging you.
Reggie, what do you want from them? Okay, you also think about when you are going to do away with that thing.
Mom, no, it won't be possible. That's my style.
Hey, calm down, I want to talk to you.
Yes, what?
Come here, I want to talk to you.
Yes, what is it?
I want you to stay away from Kweku. Kweku is my man. The next time I see you with Kweku, you will regret the day your mother gave birth to you. Do you remember somebody called you on the phone? Yeah, that's me. Stay away from Kweku. Do you understand?
Young lady, don't you have manners? Who are you to come and stand there and stay away from Kweku? Who are you, huh?
Oh my God. I am not here to fight you girls. And even if anything, I don't fight girls like you. Do you understand? But what I want you to know is stay away from Kweku. How would you feel if your man is out there with you, suffered with you, you gave your money to your man, he comes down here to mess us around with this bitch? Do you understand? You girls should stay away from Kweku. I am giving you the last warning. Stay away from Kweku. Do you understand? The next time, yeah, she wouldn't like it.
Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster. Keep it gangster. All gangster from Jamaica. Let's keep it gangster. All American gangster. Keep it gangster.
Hi, bro. How you doing today? Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah, nice to meet you again, man.
So how's your day been?
Always been hectic.
Can I offer you a drink?
No, that's it.
Are you sure you're fine?
Hello.
Can I help you?
I am Vanel and those are my co-workers.
And I'm here to make you a favor.
I have this information that you're trying to get married to Tracy.
Yes, Tracy, that's my fiance.
Wow. You are very
gentle.
Thanks for the compliment.
And you are in love with Tracy.
Of course, I love her so deeply.
Tracy is not good enough for you. We are commercial workers and she's one of us. Okay? She was in this business with us until she got pregnant and she decided to quit the business and give birth to that bitch. You know what? Tracy is not good for you. Tracy is not the best thing for you. She is a prostitute.
And just who do you think you are? Telling me what's good and what's not for me. What guts? Get out of my office.
Out of your office?
Yes, get out.
Do you know what? Stay away from Tracy because she is one of us and we are not going to allow you to take her away from us.
Is that a threat?
It is not a threat.
Just get out of my office right now. Get out. All of you. All of you. Get out of my office now.
Out of your office?
Yes. You have the guts telling me what's good and what's not. Get out now.
Last time. Stay away from Tracy. Do you understand?
Is that a threat? Just get out. All of you. Get out of here. Out. Bye-bye.
Stop it. Stop it. Didn't you hear them? They are prostitutes. And she is a prostitute. All right. Now listen. Not that I'm against your wish, all right? She saved my life, fine. But she is a prostitute. Come on, there are many girls in town. A lot of them. Just pick on one.
Truly, you're shocking me. So, is that all the advice you can give me?
Isn't that a good advice?
Well, I appreciate it. But thank you. Think over it. And if you may excuse me, I have work to do. I'll get back to you when we get to the house.
All right. See you later.
Okay.
You are quite cook.
Yes. How may I help you?
This is a word of caution. If you want to live in peace, just stay away from Tracy. I repeat, just stay away from Tracy.
Who are you? And what right do you have to tell me this?
I'm McLoney. If you want to live in peace, just take my word. Your life is your choice.
Excuse me. What you mean protect me? I can take care of myself. And you being my big brother, I expect that you respect yourself and stay the hell out of my private affairs.
Oh,
Because you're rich, you have no respect for your elder brother, yeah?
What you mean? It's not about money or power. It's about respect. I expect that you respect yourself and stay the hell out of my business.
Look, you're behaving as if you've forgotten who you're talking to.
And who the hell do you think you are?
I am your elder brother. And I want you to stay away from Tracy. She's a prostitute.
Me and Tracy is my business, and it's none of your business. I expect that you keep your nose out of my private affairs.
You have the guts to point your fingers at me?
Yes.
You have the...
Hey! What is going on here, huh? What is the meaning of this?
So you hit me?
Yeah.
Mom, he hit me.
Reggie.
Next time you put your hands on me, I'm gonna show you who the real man is in this house.
Mom, did you hear that?
Reggie, why don't you leave him alone? Eh? Why don't you leave Kweku and Tracy alone?
How can I leave them alone? He's my kid brother, and the girl is a prostitute.
I love Tracy, and that's none of your business.
I can see you've all connived against me in this house. I am leaving to find a place for myself.
You can go wherever you choose to. Nobody cares.
Reggie, hey Reggie, where do you think you're going? Reggie! Reggie, come back here! Reggie! Where do you think you are going?
Kweku. Yes, can you come over? I want to talk. Okay. Find out if this one is mine. Do you have credit on your phone?
Yes.
Anyway, let me talk to you later. Okay, thank you. I don't like the way you and your brother keep fighting in this house. Prevail among the two of you, right?
But Mom, I love Tracy the same way I love my brother Reggie. And Mommy, Tracy's not in any way a threat to this family.
How well do you know her?
And we've been together for a very long time now. And I love her so much.
See, you keep talking about love, but you need to know the person properly too.
But Mom, she's a good girl. She comes from a very decent family.
I remember Reggie said she is a prostitute.
Mom, that's not true. That's not true. All of those things are lies. They just cook it all up. It's never true, Mom. She's a very decent girl. She comes from a very good home.
Oh, come in.
Hi.
Thanks for coming. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me get you something to drink, okay?
All right.
Yeah, I hope you like it. Yeah, you can open it up when you're ready.
Right, thanks.
Yeah. So, what do you do now?
I've been putting a few things together. And, you know, I've left my brother's place. I found a place of my own.
I see. Yeah.
Yeah, how's your dad?
He's fine, He just stepped out.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Can I ask you something?
What is it? Please do.
about your brother? Does he have a girlfriend who just returned from the United States?
Why do you say that? You are the only girl he knows and about to marry.
Look, I'm serious. I trust him, that's why I'm asking you this.
Alright, listen. The only girl I know is Vanille, who is back from the States, as I said. Rahel told me they came to my house to look for me. She and Kofi.
I see.
Why? What is it?
Nothing. Oh, hi, sweetie.
Hi, Uncle. How are you?
Hi. I'm fine. How are you too?
Fine.
You know, relax. Feel at home. Let me get you something to eat from the kitchen, okay?
Alright. Okay.
Take care of your uncle, okay?
You bloody liar! Look, get your stupid promise ring, okay? Don't you dare come to my house again, because the wedding is off!
Tracy, what are you talking about? Tracy!
Get in the car!
Just let me explain.
I said get in the car!
Let me explain, Tracy.
Get in the car!
Tracy, I have an explanation. Tracy, please. Tracy, listen to me. I have an explanation. Appiah, please talk to your mom.
Close the door.
Tracy,
Close the door.
Tracy, let me explain.
Close the door.
Tracy, let me explain. Please let me explain. Tracy, I love you. Tracy, I love you. I love you.
I know I'm bleeding. My blood is giving away. Little by little, I am hurting my blood. Now I feel so empty. We don't belong anymore. When our heart is against me, now sin's a crime to love. I'm bleeding. My blood is giving me away. Little by little, I am hurt.
Hello, is that Mr. Hackman? Yeah, I'm a nurse calling from Tasmania Hospital. Your daughter Tracy is on admission here with a casualty case. She has gotten an accident with her daughter. We need you urgently. Alright, we'll be expecting you.
What is the next plan? Oh my. Next person. Next.
Hello, Reggie.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you too?
Not bad.
You're not okay. What is wrong with you?
I'm just. I have some things to do and thinking about it.
Okay. I'm here to talk to you about something.
What?
I came to talk to you about Kweku and Tracy. Honey, Kweku and Tracy are really in love with themselves, and I don't understand why you won't allow them to be.
Look, anything about Kweku and me should be put aside. It's between us.
Honey, I can't understand you. Look, these two people are in love. The same way we are also in love with ourselves. What's the letter for?
Oh my God. You say love?
Yeah.
Look, you're just something I'm using for some time and discard. Right? You know it.
Regis, tell me you did not say that. Right? Tell me you didn't say it at all. You're just using me so you can dump me? Look, it won't work.
You know me, you know my style. Alright? I use and discard. Use and discard.
This time you won't use me and dump me. No, it won't happen. Regis, read my lips. Read my lips. We shall see.
Is that a threat?
No, it's a promise. We shall see.
Come here.
What is it?
That is for last time. Last
You
kiss.
see.
Oh my.
I'm bleeding. My blood is giving away. Oh, babe. Little by little, I am hurting my blood. So empty. Without belong anymore. Oh, my. When our heart is against me, now seems a crime to love. I'm bleeding. My blood is bleeding. My blood is giving me away.
Oh, hello, doctor. Hello. Oh, good day, doctor. So how's my daughter? It's fine, eh?
Please, I just want to pass my office and then take the prescription.
Prescription? Alright. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for the job. Thank you. Hello. How are you today?
I'm okay.
Good.
Is it clear?
Oh, Appiah is fine. Very, very well. In fact, I thought she would rather have some complications, especially after the accident, but the doctor has assured me that she will be very well. No problem. In fact, she insisted coming here with me, but I asked her to stay at home. She's fine. So, what did the doctor say?
Just pains.
You'll be fine. You'll be okay. All fine.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Anyway, sweetheart, I'll have to go and see the doctor so that I can take the prescription, alright? Lydia,
Daddy.
be with your friend, I'll be back, okay?
Alright, Daddy. Ria, I went to Kroko's place and I learned you had an accident. Kroko has killed my soul. He's killed it. Tracy, it's alright, okay? It's alright. You just have to pray that you won't be so much affected by this accident. Okay? Tracy's okay.
Everything that has happened, everything that is happening now is a plot by my own blood brother. Simply because he doesn't want this relationship to go on.
What? Reggie?
When are you going to stop lying? When?
Honey, have I lied to you before? You know, I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I can never lie to you. I can never hurt you. All of this is the making of my own brother, Reggie.
Please.
I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I can never do anything to hurt you. I love you so much. You're the only one I love. I love you and only you. Nobody but you.
What do you want here?
I'm really sorry for everything that I have done to you. Came to your house, claimed that Kweku as my guy. It's a lie. I just plotted everything. I must confess I am really, really sorry. Please forgive me.
How can I ever forgive you? You connived with my own brother to destroy my happiness.
Tracy, I'm really sorry.
God will punish you.
I'm really sorry, please. Find it in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please, I'm sorry. Okay? Really sorry. Sorry.
See? Told you.
I'm sorry, okay?
Everything is a plot. Everything. Now you believe me.
Tracy, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm really sorry, okay? Sorry.
This is the time. This is the moment.
Cake is ready, and your dress, your wedding dress, it's ready as well. What are you doing with a gun in your hand? You shut up. Come on, don't do this. No, don't do this, bro. Don't do this.
I want you.
Keep the gun away. Please keep it down.
No, I warned you about Kweku, my brother.
Do not hurt Tracy. Whatever you do, keep her out of this. This is between me and you.
That fucking love.
Well, I'm your brother.
Listen.
Reggie, please
listen up.
Brother, please. I'm your blood brother.
Look, we can talk about this. Listen, what's wrong? What's going on?
You shut up. You shut up.
Do not hurt her.
No.
Okay, go ahead. Pull the bullet. Blow away, just pull the trigger.
No!
You think I'm afraid to die?
No, don't.
Do you think I'm afraid to die?
No. Reggie,
just go ahead and kill me.
Reggie, please.
Pull a bullet in my head, put it. Just press the trigger, kill me.
You can kill me instead. Please, just kill me instead. I don't know, I'm sorry to bring.
Tracy, stay out of this. This is between me and my brother. Okay? You are drunk. Please do away with the gun. You are drunk, man.
It's you.
And I raped you. And I had an argument with Cody, my friend.
So what? Man, you said that we were supposed to walk in there. You said, put your voice down. Right.
Through that, your mom was shocked. Sorry.
You don't mean it. You egotistical, slimy son of a bitch. You mean you did that inhuman act?
Alright. I'm gonna take my life now. I'll kill myself.
No, brother, please, don't hurt yourself. Please!